you don't affect me. That's right. Deliver it from my heart. Please stay. Be deliberate. Wait, I'm coming undone. Irate. I'm coming undone. Too late. I'm coming undone. One look so strong, so delicate. Wait, I'm starting to suffocate, and soon I anticipate. I'm coming undone. One look so strong, so delicate. Trigger between my eyes. Joke again. I thought my demons were my friends. Pity me. In the end, they're out to get me. Since I was young, I tasted sorrow on the tongue, and this sweet sugar gun does not protect me. That's right. Trigger between my eyes. Please try. Make it quick now. Hey, I'm coming undone. Irate. I'm coming undone. Too late. I'm coming undone. One look so strong, so delicate. Wait, I'm starting to suffocate, and soon I anticipate. I'm coming undone. One look so strong, so delicate.
Confession, such perfection, your sweet impressions, and hide who you really are. Say what? Say it. Doesn't matter to all the same. Say what? Say it. Come again, 'cause we love the shame. Say what? Say it. Just another one to stop the pain. Don't pretend that you're better than this one. It goes both ways. This will make you ultra numb.
8本目のオマと封印が解放してしまうと、俺がお前の意識の中に出てくるよう封印式に再起したわけです。愛が存在し続けるから同時に憎しみが生まれ、憎しみに忍びが利用される。この忍びのシステムがあるから憎しみというバカがまた新たな変化を生み出していく。時代がさせこの憎しみを終わらせることに